Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadijo.com, and on today's tutorial I'm going to show you strategies and tips on what I do step by step to grow a Facebook group from 0 all the way to 20,000 or 40,000 depending on how many people you want in that group. The reason why I wanted to show you this tutorial is because, as you guys know, Facebook is the world's most popular social networking service right now. As of the first quarter of this year of 2018, Facebook had 2.19 billion monthly active users, which is a crazy number. And it's also increasing 13% year over year, which is incredible as well. Here are a couple more fun stats about Facebook. So at the current moment, there are 1.5 billion mobile daily active users. That's an increase of 23% year over year. There's also 1.45 billion people on average logging onto Facebook daily and are considered daily active users. There are 1.7 billion mobile active users as of December 2016, which is also an increase of 21% year over year. And on average, the like and share buttons are viewed across almost 10 million websites daily. 5 new profiles are created every second. Average time spent per Facebook visit is about 20 minutes. These are some enormous numbers. These are some enormous opportunities you have to market yourself as a realtor or to market yourself as an Etsy seller, as a blogger, to brand your business, whatever business you have, to start a new business, maybe create a group to sell affiliate marketing, to promote your affiliate marketing. So many ways you could use a Facebook group. And what is a Facebook group? Basically, it's a Facebook group is where it's like a closed group. You will have to allow people to join the group, and it allows people to come together around a common cause or an issue, or to discuss issues, or you could post photos and share related content. So to give you an idea, this is one of my groups right now. This is my group for Etsy sellers. So this group is called Etsy Sellers Support Group, and there's no promoting allowed. And I use it basically for people to come in, ask questions about their stores, share relevant articles about Etsy. This person wants feedback on the store, which I would be more than happy to give them. So it's just a place that you could come in, ask questions. If you have any questions about your store, get feedback and learn more. I also have this group over here that I created for my husband. He does real estate. So his group right now is almost at 20,000 members. And his group is the same thing. It's an informational group. So he doesn't sell anything. It's just a place that realtors could come in. They could network with other realtors. You could share events, news. You could put anything related to real estate industry. You could come in and put it in the group. So as you can see, this is his group. He has 19,000 followers at the current moment, almost at 20,000. This is my new group that I started in January. At the current moment, I have 2,759 members. Now, I have personal experience. My biggest group I ever had over 46,000 members. And on that one, it was a weight loss niche. So I used to put a lot of stuff like motivational videos, transformational videos. I put a lot of marketing affiliate links about losing weight. And in that group, in that particular group, I used to make anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000 a month on marketing. So when you create a Facebook group, it just depends on how you want your group to be about. So basically you could have a group to help other people like this one. You could have a group for your business like my husband does for real estate. You could have a group to promote stuff that you sell. You could have a group to teach people how to play the piano or sell or promote your affiliate marketing links on a specific niche. So you could create a group for makeup, a group for, like I had for weight loss. So you could pretty much create it for anything. So this tutorial that I'm going to show you today on how to grow a Facebook group, you could apply it for any business or any type of marketing that you want to apply it for. So let's go ahead and get started on how to grow a Facebook group. And this video will be divided in a regular video, and then I will also have one recorded from my phone, because the second step, you will have to do it from your phone. It's a lot easier on your phone. So let's get started. The first thing to do is narrow down what kind of group you want. So we talked about, if you do real estate, maybe you want a real estate group where people could come in, network together, share ideas, share open house, listings, rentals, etc. You could do an Etsy group if you like to, where it's all about promoting. So you could promote your shop, you could promote items that you're selling. It just depends on what you want. But you want to make sure that you get one idea and you stick with that one idea. You don't want to for it to be a real estate group and then you're promoting Etsy on that group. So you want to make sure it's related to that niche. So first decide what type of group you want it to be. Second will be, you will need a banner to put up. So make sure that you have a banner. You could create one using canva.com, which is free. You could go to fiverr.com to buy one for $5. I'll leave these links on the text description below. Just create a banner, make sure that is professional, it looks nice, and is related to that niche or that group that you're currently having. Once you have that, you have to create an About Me section. The About Me section is basically letting people know what your group is about. Because if somebody finds your group and they might want to join your group, this kind of tells them what your group is about. So mine says, this is a private group for Etsy sellers and potential sellers only. No promoting is allowed and you'll be banned from the group. This group is meant for Etsy sellers to network, ask questions, learn tips and tricks on selling on Etsy, share resources, seek advice, and most of all, provide a place for resources for everyone. So this is kind of gives them a point of view of what my group is about. You have to have this here. Not necessarily that you have to, but I recommend, because a lot of people will join the group and start promoting other stuff that has nothing related to Etsy. So that's a good way to, one, let them know. And then if people keep doing that, or they keep not abiding by your rules, then you could ban them from the group. My husband has the same thing. It's very similar. A place for real estate realtors and those interested in real estate to share ideas, knowledge, events, news related to real estate industry. So create that About This group. Once you do that, before you invite anyone to your group, you have to start posting. Make sure that everything you post in your group is relevant to that group. If you're talking about makeup, everything you post should be about makeup. Makeup tutorials, makeup pictures, makeup, anything related to makeup, pretty much. So when I started my Etsy group, I started promoting my Etsy videos that I do to help other Etsy sellers. I started putting articles about Etsy. At first, you're not going to get a lot of traction. You're not going to get a lot of comments because you don't have anyone yet. So the way you do it is you start putting great content in there. Start putting stuff that is Etsy related only, or whatever your niche is only. I would say put about 5 postings. It could be a combination of pictures, motivational quotes. It could be an article, it could be a video, whatever you have. Do at least 5 different posts. Once you have those 5 posts and you have created that, the next step in growing the group is joining other groups. So what you would do, for instance, on my husband's account, I went and had him join other real estate groups. So he's he has a lot of groups right now that he's part of. So he's a member at the Social Agent. That's a real estate group. He's a member also of Fix Your Credit, Real Estate Professionals, Atlanta Real Estate. So you join these groups. I would say join at least 20 groups. Once these people accept you to their group, because you have to be accepted, this is the strategy that I use and you will have to do on a daily basis to grow your Facebook group. Once you get accepted to these Facebook groups, all you have to do is you go to their members section. So this group has 6,000 members. And you kind of read their bios. A lot of them have their bio right here, you'll be able to see what they do. And what you start doing is adding them as a friend. So this lady, she's a realtor. So I will add her as a friend. This person is a realtor at Ursula Group. Add him as a friend. So just keep looking. For the most part, all these people are either realtors or they are in the profession of realtor. They could be a lender, they could be a lawyer. You could add different variety of people because it's the same niche as a friend. So you go in here. I would say maybe request for startup, maybe 5 people per day. And the reason why I say so low is because if you invite too many people at once, Facebook could spam you and also suspend your Facebook account. So you don't want that to happen. So don't go crazy adding a lot of people. Just do like maybe 5 people per day and find people that will be interested in following you back, that they will accept your friendship. Because when people will see your profile. So if they see that my husband's a realtor and they're a realtor, the chances of them accepting my husband and saying, "Oh, okay, I'll follow him," are very high because they're in the same profession. So you go ahead and add a couple people, and then you wait for those people, give them like a day to 3 days, for them to accept your friendship. So this is where the second part of this video will take over, which is when I do it from my phone. So I'm going to put this one in pause and I'm going to start it from my phone to kind of show you what happens after people have accepted my friend request. Hi guys, so here we go. I'm just doing the second portion of this video on my cell phone because it's a lot easier to add the members to your group using your phone. So once you go to the Facebook groups and you start befriending people, and a small percentage of them will not friend you back. So don't take it offensive. It's just they don't know you, so they might not friend you back. A large percentage will, especially if you have something in common. So once they friend you as a friend, you go back to your Facebook group and you get this little button right here, the blue button that says add. So that's add members. So you click on that and you're going to start inviting members to your group. It's basically adding them to your Facebook group. So you go in there and you select all the people. And this is a lot quicker than doing it from your computer. You select them and then you press done and you can refresh the screen and you will see 8 people were added. And this is how you do it. So every day, basically, you will go find a relevant group. So if you do real estate, you would join other real estate groups. If you do Etsy, you would join other Etsy groups. If you do, let's say, makeup, you would join other makeup groups. And then you go to those groups, you befriend people, and then every day you add them to your group. Every day you go, every time you have a group of people that went ahead and accepted your friendship, you add them to the group, and you do that every day, little by little. And when you least expect it, you got 100 members, 200, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, and you keep doing that until you're satisfied with the number that you have. So if you want to have a 20,000 group member, if you want to have 40,000 members, if you want to have 50,000 members, that's what you do. However, just keep in mind, it's very important that when you start doing this, not only do you have a banner, not only do you have a nice profile picture of yourself, that you are providing quality content, that you are promoting content that's related to that niche every single day, that you're putting stuff that people want to be part of. If they go to your group and you haven't posted, or you go to the group and you have it's a weight loss group and you're talking about makeup, they're not going to want to join. They're going to remove themselves, or they're going to ask you, please don't add me to this group. So make sure that you keep it relevant to that group. Once you have a lot of people, don't spam every single day with an affiliate link. Do like 4 regular postings, then do 1 affiliate link. 4 regular postings, 1 affiliate link. Don't spam. People understand now what affiliate linking is. They understand marketing a lot more than they did a couple years ago, that you could get away with it back then. Now people get turned off by it. And also, if you are promoting affiliate marketing, just make sure that the products that you're promoting are stuff that you have used prior before, or that you're knowledgeable about in case somebody does ask you a question about it. Don't just promote anything and everything. A lot of times, the only items that I promote are things that I either tried or are great in quality as well. So just make sure you keep that in mind. But this is how you grow a Facebook group. It's a simple concept. You don't have to spend any money. You can if you like, and that will be a quicker way to grow it. But if you want to do it organically without spending any money, this is how you grow any type of Facebook group, whether it's a real estate group, whether it's an Etsy group, or a makeup group. I hope that this tutorial was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Make sure that you like this video. And thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful day.